Hello friends, let me introduce you to my new pet. She is a penguin and her name is Misty. Misty is from a place called Penville in Antarctica, and she has recently migrated to the America, and she has made her home here. She is very cute and you can pet her all the time. She feels so happy. Misty drinks water and she can live on water all day. Sometimes she can make some sound, but most of the time she is very quiet and does her job without bothering anybody. And she is so adorable. I just love her. And the best of all, what she does is she keeps me cool. And that's awesome. And that's awesome. Goodbye and good night, Misty.